The check gauge's light is your vehicle's master warning system. When this light illuminates on your dashboard, it means one or more of your car's gauges are reading outside their normal operating parameters. This centralized alert system monitors multiple critical vehicle systems simultaneously. Think of it as your car's way of saying, "Pay attention. Something needs your immediate attention." The check gauge's light monitors 5 critical systems. Engine temperature alerts you to overheating or overcooling. Oil pressure warns of dangerously low pressure. The battery and charging system detects voltage problems. Fuel level alerts when extremely low. And transmission temperature warns of overheating in equipped vehicles. When gauges read outside normal parameters, you'll see clear warning signs. A temperature gauge pointing to the hot zone indicates overheating. Battery voltage readings outside the normal 12 to 14 volt range signal charging system problems. When the check gauge's light illuminates, follow this immediate response protocol. First, pull over safely as soon as possible. Second, systematically check all dashboard gauges for abnormal readings. Third, pay attention to any unusual engine sounds, burning smells, or performance issues. Fourth, if you see overheating, turn off the engine immediately to prevent damage. After safely stopping, inspect your critical fluid levels. Check the coolant reservoir to ensure adequate coolant level between the minimum and maximum marks. Use the oil dipstick to verify proper oil level and condition. Always perform these checks only when the engine is cool and turned off for safety. Remember, the check gauge's light is your early warning system. Taking immediate action when it appears can prevent minor issues from becoming major, expensive repairs. Never ignore this warning. Your vehicle is trying to protect itself and keep you safe. When the check gauge's light appears, your first step is visual inspection. Look at all dashboard gauges to identify which one shows abnormal readings. Next, perform physical inspections of key systems. Check coolant levels and look for leaks. Verify oil levels and condition, and inspect battery terminals for corrosion. For advanced diagnostics, use an OBD2 scanner to retrieve specific fault codes. This provides precise information about which system triggered the warning. Once you've addressed the underlying issue, you can reset the check gauge's light using 3 methods: ignition cycle reset, battery disconnect, or OBD scanner reset. Modern vehicles may require software updates to resolve check gauge issues. Always consult your vehicle's technical service bulletins and consider professional diagnosis for persistent problems.